Good morning, tree lovers. I'm Joel Mizell with the Tree Planters at thetreeplanters.com. We're looking at a Podocarpus partial screen. We did it this way on purpose so as not to have a solid wall screen, but just a partial screen that you could see through a little bit. When we planted these trees, they were 8 feet tall and about 2 feet wide. Podocarpus grows slow. It's been a couple of years, maybe 3 years actually, and these plants are now about 4 feet wide, 8 to 9 feet tall. There's 7 of them, and you can see through them, but not completely. But you can see how that they have filled in quite a bit. We'll try to place this video next to the video where we had just planted them. When we planted these, there were no palm trees here, and now we've got a very large Phoenix dactylifera medjool. That's what that tree is. And over there is a Phoenix sylvestris. We planted this to ornament this entryway into this home, and it's very nice looking. The owner likes it quite a bit. Thank you for watching. Go to thetreeplanters.com, check us out, watch our videos, call us from there, and we'll do this for you.